Hey guys and dolls, so I have the next, this is the October Simon Says stamp card kit. I haven't made anything with the September one yet, but don't, you know, don't all come at me. So I'm still catching up and trying to get back to sort of my normal routine, what's normal for me, do you know what I mean? Anyway, so I have taken it out. It comes in this lovely bag with this cute sticker, but I've taken it out of there just for noise. So that's what it actually comes in. And then what we have is a whole plethora of things. You do get your little inspiration sheet, which has some ideas on what to do with the product in the kit, and you'll have to bear with me with some of it because the I'm not the quickest reader and all the items are there, so bear with me as I go through this. Hopefully some of it is labelled enough I don't need to, but we'll just do that. So let's start with here. Okay, well, let's start here. So we get 2 envelopes. These are Simon envelopes, and they are metallic ivory and metallic green leaf. So they're a beautiful pearlescent envelope, and they've got the sticky stuff on there already, so you don't have to lick them to stick them, as they say. So you have that. You always get a little voucher thing excuse me, or a yeah, a voucher code thing for your next order, so that's always nice. Candy standard, yes, I have my PJs on. So this one, what is this? Mango. Oh, my husband's gonna like that one. And then let's see here. So these are brand new to me, and I think they're fairly new on the market. I'm not 100% sure when they came out, but these are Tim Holtz Distress tiny blending tools. So these are weeny little things. Well, you can see there. There's my finger. So you get 2 handles and 4 applicators or foam applicators, and these are the domed ones. So the original round ones were flat. In fact, the original ones were these like oblong rectangular flat foam. I've still got that got that as well, but the newer ones, even for the mini ink blending applicator of Tim's, you can get the domed ones as well. So these are the mini ones, but in the domed form, so they're really cute. So that'd be good to try because I've not used them yet or tried them. Now this is something I don't normally go for, but this is why card kits are great, because you get to test things out if they're not your normal go-to. So this is the Craft Consortium, what is that word? Botany. Hello, words are working. Botany Boutique, I think. Rub-on transfers. So you get 2 single-sided sheets and a tool. So the tool is in the middle, I think, of all of the transfer sheets. But these are all sort of cactuses. It's got some words up here. So you've got cactus, jasmine, hibiscus, orchid, and then it's all these sort of types of plants. So succulents, and don't know what these are, but they look very cool. I remember this. My grandparents had one of these when I was growing up. It's what we used all the time. So you get 2 sheets of the same. So rub-ons are not something I normally go for, but this is why this works, right? Then we have some Simon Says pastel tones, positively dazzling gems. So they're in a little doofer. I don't know what to call this little container. And there's like, they're all pastel gems, basically. I won't tip them out because, well, my luck being what it is. There's a variety of sizes in here as well. There's teeny tiny ones. I think there's about 3 or 4 sizes, 3 sizes maybe that I can see there, but they're very sparkly, but nice pastel shades, which is lovely. Then we get a mini distress ink, and this is Scorched Timber. So this is the last one in the range of distress inks. I'm like everything else, yet to catch up with stuff like that. So yeah, so this is the mini. So this is gonna be cool because I do like this. It's a brown tone, as you can sort of see from the background there, but I think it's gonna be a very good color to have. Let's do the cardstock. these bits next. So then you get some cardstock sheets. These are 8.5 by 11, and I want to say this is leaf green. So you get a £100, Simon Says green leaf. What is that one? You get ivory. Simon Says £100 ivory, and dark chocolate. So perfect for the whole sort of theme of succulents and things like that. So beautiful. So you get 3 sheets of those. Then you also get, I think there's a couple of sheets in here. Is there? Yeah, I think there's 2 sheets in here, and these are like I want to say like kind of like handmade papers. Do you remember in those days that, like, you can see it there, sort of handmade paper. Let me see what this name of this is actually called. Right, so this is 5 single-sided, oh, you get 5 sheets in there. 5 single-sided sheets of Stamperia Secret Diary 8.25 by 11.75 rice paper. So that's what that is. And there's 5 sheets in there. So this stuff is very, very thin. So well, it's rice paper. So it's like the, I think if you had to sort of collage this onto onto something else, it would almost like become the background. Does that make sense? So you wouldn't necessarily see it sitting on top of the piece of paper. But yeah, very cool colours and very much distressed, like I like stuff. Then, before my camera dies, we have a embossing folder, another 3D embossing folder. So this is called Fluted Forest Decor, and I love this because I think this you could get away with using it at Christmas. It's not specifically Christmas, but it's got pine cones and what looks like poinsettias. Well, maybe that's the idea, but it looks like you could use it as a Christmas thing. So that's a 3D, and that's the Simon one. Then we have 2 things left. We have the main thing, which is the stamp set, which is a 6x8 stamp set called 2-Step Simple Leaves. So it's basically like 2-step stamping. Pardon me. So you have your solid area and the outline. So you can, with the outline, you can do your normal stamping, ink it, you know, colour it in, different ways of colouring in, watercolouring, Copic markers, whatever. Or you can use the solid to then stamp inside there and colour it all in one go. But, and there's some nice little sentiments as well, all sort of thankful kind of sentiments. But you also get the 2-Step Simple Leaves stencil. So instead of using the stamp or colouring that yourself, you could use the stencil. I know you can't quite see it on there, but the shape of the stencil will fit over there, and then you can ink blend over the top of it. So the combination of the two work together. So there's a number of different ways you can colour these leaves in and make some very, very nice autumnal, or any time of the year, because they're leaves, any time of the year kind of projects. So just on the leaves, on the stamps, you've got thank you, thankful for you, just saying hi, so very grateful, you're in my thoughts, and thankful hearts. So I think that's very cool. You can make a lot of different things with that stamp set. So that is the kit for, what did I say this one was? October? Yes, October. November's is on its way to me, I believe. I think it is anyway. So when November's gets here, I'm excited about November's. You've probably seen it on Simon's website because they've already launched it, but it's so cute. I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm so happy that I'm, you know, getting these kits in again. I just love them. I love the variety that you get in them. I think they're really good. They're really good value as well. So 2-Step Simple Leaves at your service. And I'll be back with videos on showcasing what to do with it. I'll try and think of something different, but you know, we'll see what I can do. So until next time guys, bye for now.